Going to be another hot day.
It is, yeah, but we do see the light at the end of the tunnel. So we see Friday, which is going to be great weather for the opening day of the State Fair of Texas. But today, yeah, it's going to be another hot one. Temperatures in the lower to mid 90s, which is still about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Look outside at Lake Lavon and Wiley. You can see some of those clouds, but also plenty of sunshine that's already heating things up into the 80s. And Wiley, Plano 81, Salina 81, same story in McKinney as well. And here's a look at the forecast, not just for today, but for the next 3 days. And at least we like the trend here, right? 93 today, but then easing back into the upper 80s by the time we get to Wednesday. And notice also the rain chances going up from 10% today, so not much rain at all today, to about a 30% chance of rain by the time we get to the middle of the week. 30% chance of rain also is not a great rain chance, but it does look like we're going to see at least a few more showers and storms around as a cold front enters the picture by midweek. And we need that rain to help wash some of the ragweed pollen out of the air. It's still in the high categories for today, moderate levels of elm, mold on the low count. Maria is still a hurricane, but it's weakening slowly as it makes its way to the north. Its maximum sustained winds now at 80 miles an hour. It's still about 300 miles to the southeast of Cape Hatteras, and it's moving north. It's going to get close to the coastal areas of North Carolina where we have tropical storm warnings in effect, but no direct landfall or direct impacts from the storm. There'll be some squalls and some high surf here that could cause some coastal flooding, but you can see by the end of the week as a tropical storm, Maria finally moves away into the northern Atlantic. Here's the future sky forecast here. We see in North Texas highs near 90 degrees today. The rain chance next to nothing. Tomorrow we'll look for about the same type of weather ahead of the cold front. We'll be in the 70s tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow once again near 90 degrees. You see the best chance of rain? It's out here in West Texas. That rain is going to stay in West Texas. Wednesday, we'll see a few more showers and storms showing up on the radar. I mentioned that 30% chance of rain on Wednesday, and you can see we'll go up to probably about a 40% chance of rain on Thursday. And then rain chances drop on Friday to 20%, which, by the way, is the opening day of the State Fair of Texas. And look at these temperatures. Noontime, mid-70s, up to 82 with just a 20% chance of rain Friday afternoon. Don't let that rain chance scare you away from the opening day of the fair. The weather looks really nice, and that's going to be the coolest day of the week with a high of 82. Today, though, 93, still in the 90s tomorrow. And we skip ahead to the weekend ahead. It looks pretty good, too. Lots of sunshine Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid to upper 80s.